Hi there, I'm going to do a tutorial today on how to do a pedicure using Colorstreet nail polish and also how to make your Colorstreet last you the longest as far as number of uses. So I have Nuclear Fusion here. It's a glitter polish and it's got this nice gradient. And I'm going to go ahead and show you. The first thing I'm going to show you how to do is I'm going to set aside the polish strips that I would use for my fingers. I'm not going to show you how I put those on, but I'll show you which ones I have left over, and then I'll go ahead and demonstrate how to put those on your toes. Okay, so if you are new to Colorstreet, each package will come with 2 strips of various sizes, as well as a nail prep pad and your nail file. I am only going to use one of these at this time, so when I figure out what size I'm going to use, I just pulled off this shortest one here. Let me see if I can get it to focus better. And you can see that lines up pretty well with my pinky. Now I'm going to use this one strip on both of my pinkies. So I can set that aside for my first manicure. The next strip I have, it would fit my ring finger, but I actually have a really small pointer finger nail. So I'm going to set that one aside for my pointer finger. And I'm just going to keep on going through these. I'll use the next size up for my ring finger. And the next one is good for my middle finger. And then I'm actually going to skip this one. It's too small for my thumb. This one's still too small for my thumb. So I'm going to use the second to biggest one for my thumb. So you can see I have all 5 laid out for my hand. I've got all 5 of those. And I still have 3 left over. So I'm not, like I said, I'm not going to show you my actual application of my fingers today. But I will show you what I do for my toes. So I generally start with the biggest one, and sorry that the filmography is not perfect, but I'm going to peel off this outer strip. Actually, sorry, I almost skipped my prep. So give that a second to dry. And okay. So what I'm going to do is take this biggest piece. I'm sorry if I get in my own way. I'm going to do my best to show you. And I'm going to line it up in one corner of my big toe. You see that? Now I'm just going to press along the edges where it's too big. So you can see right here, I have this little strip hanging off now where I've kind of pressed with my fingernail. I'm also going to press along the end of my toenail. And there we go, we have the big toe done. It's the big one, so it is kind of the easy one. Now I still have all this left, and I'm not gonna waste. I'm gonna line the next piece up. And do the same process with the second toe. You can file the ends down when you're done to kind of make them nice and smooth. But for now, I'm just trying to get all the pieces on. I still have a bit left. I'm going to press that down good. Just use the back of your nail to kind of press in. Your thumbnail works the best. You can use tools, but I find I can feel better if I use my fingers. So I only kind of have a couple pieces of scraps left now, and I'm going to get rid of those. And I've got 3 of my toes done. So now I can just pick one of these. I'll pick the smaller one because I don't need much. I only have 2 nails left. And we'll get this little toe. And if you don't already know, toenail polish stays on forever. So once this is on, you've got a nice pedicure for quite a while. And I actually kind of laid this over my cuticle a little bit. So once I press down along the edge of my cuticle, I can just kind of peel back that extra piece. And if you have a nail polish that's got prints on it, you can choose which part you want to use to kind of give the look that you want to give. Or with these, it's, you know, just nice that with the little ombre effect, it kind of doesn't matter where you lay them. They're going to look good. And there you have it. So we have a full pedi. I still have part of that second one left over as well. So I still have all my strips for my manicure here in my little pile. Here's my 5 for my manicure. I've got 1 left over that I could use for a touch-up if I needed to, or an accent nail later on. And then I still have a whole other set that I can use for a second manicure and pedicure later on. And I just wanted to show you, when I'm done using them, I put all the unused ones back in the plastic, and I use a bag sealer to just seal the end real quick, and it will keep for a good long time. So I hope that helps, and I hope you are able to get the many uses out of these like I can. I can generally get 2 full manicures and 2 full pedicures out of one set, which is really a great deal if you compare it to going to a nail salon. Plus it looks better than doing it yourself, at least for me. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.